Hey guys, welcome back to Bear One's Burden. I'm Joe. Today, I'm gonna teach, or I'm gonna help FJ, Frank, which he likes to be called, Frank, how to redo this door. So basically, what he's gonna do is he's gonna fix these holes, okay, so that we could sand it down back and install more modern doorknob. He also is going to sand it down completely so that we could paint it and have a brand new door. This is going to be a Frank project, not mine. I'm just going to guide him, and he's going to record himself doing it and speed through it, and we'll see how it turns out. All right.
So, we'll come back tomorrow and we'll sand it down and see how it looks. Alright, it's the next day. So, now I'm gonna check it to see how it is. Alright, it's as hard as a rock. Now what I have to do is sand it down. Hey guys, I finally finished the door, so here it is. Honestly, I think it looks good and it came out pretty good, but let's hear what Dad thinks.
Hey guys, so he finished the door. I put the hardware on, but basically, if you guys remember, we couldn't put the hardware on because this had an old-fashioned hardware, so there were holes in the door, and I couldn't drill more holes, and once I would have done that, you could have seen. So what he did is he blocked the holes in, and he made the door solid so that we could put the new hardware on. Guys, this is the first time he has done something like this. I'm pretty impressed. I thought he was gonna require more of my help and come and get me, but he did good. He did really good. So now that I know that he could do something like this, now I'm gonna be putting him to do more like work. But yeah, guys, stay tuned, and hopefully we get another one for you guys.